Hey signers, I've been asked constantly, what is the sign for? But I've had to give the response. What is the meaning of that word? ASL is not an exact sign for one word. It depends on the meaning. So let's learn how to sign multiple meaning signs. ASL uses meaning for how to use the correct sign. Basically, when deciding what sign to use, the signer must look at the concept of the phrase and the meaning of the word being signed. Understanding that ASL is not English and the signer must think of the concept will expand your ASL vocabulary. However, you might see signs being taught as a hard and fast rule. For instance, you take the English word and the sign being used, and it's always used as the same sign all the time. This is called C-sign, signing exact English. It is a sign system to teach English. It is not to teach ASL. The idea follows a 3-rule system. If the English word meets 2 out of the 3 criterias, which are, is it spelled the same, means the same, and sounds the same, and if 2 out of the 3 of those are the same, then the sign is going to be the same for that word. For example, this is a person running. I am running to the store, going to the store. My nose is running. It's dripping. There are different signs for each of those words, run. But for C sign, you use the same sign, run, for all of those. I am running to the store. I am going for a run. My nose is running. Or running to our sponsor for today, Skillshare. All right, I'll work on my segues. Skillshare has been sponsoring our channel for a year now. That means a lot to us, but I can tell you we wouldn't have Skillshare as a sponsor if we didn't think Skillshare was right for you. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. There are too many topics to list, but to name a few, you could take classes on lifestyle, productivity, creativity, and of course, ASL. You might even recognize one of the ASL teachers. Maybe even more importantly, Skillshare is supporting us, so your support for them would mean the world to us. How can you do this, you might ask? By signing up today. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So what are you waiting for? Click down below and sign up for your 1-month free membership on Skillshare right now. Now, let's run back to our video. So now that we understand that ASL goes off of the meaning for each sign, let's talk about a few of these. For instance, we have the sign store. I can store something, to save something, or going to the store. Another example, light. The light bulb or an object is light, as in not heavy. Let's look at the word train. A train that you ride in versus I am training, practicing for an event. Now, the sign get or got has a lot, as in, I get it, I understand. Get someone, as in to tap them. To get, receive. Another term might be, I will get there soon, to arrive. And there are even more. Get as in to have something, or get as in to become something. And ASL can also use different signs with prepositions within a word, like to look for something, to search, or look at something, your eyes looking at a thing. It's so important to remember that you are looking at the meaning of the sign, not just a sign for word comparison. Let's take a look at the signs for run and create some sentences. I am running to the store. Store, I go, I. My nose is running. The sign drip from your nose. I hate running. Running, I don't like I. I ran out of money. Money, I run out, I. We run a business. Business, we control. As you can see, we have touched on several multiple meaning words, and there are tons more. If you want to learn even more multiple meaning signs, let us know down in the comments. Also, there are multiple ways you can help out this channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and sign up for our newsletter where we dive deeper into ASL. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.